So Twistouts are my thing, and I recently tried a new product combination that I really liked. It's a leave-in and a gel from the Camille Rose Naturals line. Love the products. They smell great. My hair stayed moisturized for beyond the 4 days that I wore the style. I just lost a little bit of definition by that fourth day. But the gel didn't quite give me the hold that I was looking for. So the leave-in is great, and I figured I want to try a different gel with that leave-in just to see if my results would be a little different. So I was at the beauty supply store and I saw this new gel from EcoStyler. It's the Super Olive 10X Moisturizing Gel. Figured I'd try it. I already have EcoStyle gel, and which I like. As a matter of fact, here it is. I don't go through product that much. This small jar I've had for probably 6 months, and it's about right here. So anyway, I got the medium-sized jar of the new gel, and if I like it, it will last me a very long time. All right, so if you haven't seen it, here it is. And it smells nice. It smells like shower gel, like a men's shower gel, or like an Irish Spring. So not bad. It's just kind of fresh. It's kind of heavy, but it's not a bad scent at all. So I'll be pairing this with my Curl Love Moisture Milk by Camille Rose Naturals, and let's see if my results will be different when I use this combo together.
Seems like it never fails when I am doing a twist out or doing a style that has individual sections on my hair. There's always a little bit of hair that manages to sneak out. But anyway, I just put some gel on it and kept on moving. So at this point, my hair is completely dry. I set up under the hair dryer for about an hour and a half, and then just left the twist in overnight because I'm in the house with nowhere to go. And my hair is extremely shiny, and I notice how soft it is. I can feel it even as I'm taking the clips out. And if I didn't mention, I put the clips on the base of my twists just to help keep them from getting loose. Do y'all see this shine along with my shiny forehead? But yes, my hair is really shiny, and I know that there were some areas where I put a lot of product on and it shows in my twists. But when I took the twist out, I noticed that I didn't even see that buildup. So it almost seems like it just kind of melted once maybe the heat from my fingers touched it. It melted back into my hair. That's kind of best way for me to explain it. I did find a little bit right here and it just kind of rubbed it in and it went away. Yeah. And my hair is extremely shiny. That's what amazed me the most about using the gel and I guess the leave-in. My hair was probably the softest I've ever felt it, perhaps since being natural, and that was pretty cool. Using the larger size perm rods on my hair gave me a different look, and I kind of liked it. It just made my hair more fluffy on the ends versus when I use the smaller size, the white perm rods, it's more defined. My curls are more defined on the end. But overall, I really liked it, and I'm doing a middle part this time, whereas I normally have a side part. So I'm just fluffing and fluffing, and y'all, the pick is just gliding through my hair. It's really soft. And this style lasted me for about 3 days. It was just a little too soft to hold a curl. And I think the next time I will just use the gel by itself and see how that works. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep it naturally corporate.